Alright, adventurers, we're getting started here on the Snowbank Loop. This is a 24-mile loop. We're going to do it in 3 days, 9 miles today. We'll see. Maybe if we make it further, maybe we'll do it in 2. We'll see. I have been here 3 times prior and never completed the loop, so I'm very hopeful that I can finish the loop this time. Like I said, it's about 24 miles. It is 70 degrees right now. Beautiful sunny day. It's supposed to be like that this entire weekend. Absolutely gorgeous weather coming my way. Got some forest fires in Canada going on right now. I am lucky enough where today it is beautifully clear. Yesterday it was, you couldn't see a half a mile. It was just smoky everywhere. You could smell it in the air. It was terrible. I was kind of worried about that, but it's gone today. So let's go. Let's get this show on the road. Right, ladies and gentlemen, view number 1. This is awesome. I love the bright green of the fresh buds growing on the trees. Oh, it just pops out. It's great. So if you see this little peak over here, like right about there, that's Disappointment Mountain. So Disappointment Lake is directly in front of it. You can't see it, but it's directly in front of it. And I should be camping on Disappointment Lake, just to the south of Disappointment Mountain. At least that's where the 9-mile mark is. If we want to continue, we could probably make it up to Disappointment Mountain today and camp there instead. Beautiful. If you can see this lake right in there, that is Snowbank Lake right there. First glimpse of it. Awesome. Standing on a nice little, what, maybe 50, 75 foot cliff here. Gorgeous. Perfect place for a little 5-minute break. Gorgeous area. Now we're crossing a beaver dam. It looks like a multiple beaver dam section. You can see another beaver dam just right up there. And you can see a beaver hut way back there. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, but it's sticking up there a little bit. Busy beavers. Alright, looks like there's another dam right down there as well. And maybe even another beaver hut right over there. Awesome. And just over this hill, I believe we get to see another good look at the beaver area. beautiful overlook here, Snowbank Lake. We have turned heading eastward and are going to be passing to the south of Snowbank Lake. Awesome. It's nice to be up on top of this hill and feel this breeze. The wind doesn't really make it down in the bottom on the forest floor. Ooh, that feels so nice. Ooh, buddy. I just took a little tumble down this step. My foot slid all the way down. I ended up catching myself, but it kind of hurt my wrists a little bit. Oh, it was slippery. And I had the camera in my hand, so I caught myself with the camera, but it looks like the camera's fine. I'm fine. Whew. Got my adrenaline pumping there for a minute, though. And that's not even the worst of it. It looks like there's an even steeper spot coming up here. I better be careful. There we go. Got some wolf poop. Or wolves in the area. Oh, look at this gorgeous little area. There's a stream coming off of the beaver dam up there. Got some beautiful marsh marigolds. There we go. Here's the beaver dam. Check these out. Heptica americana. I love them. Alrighty, we are about 5 miles in. We're at the branch off for the campsite to Lake BWCA, which is right down that way. But this is just a beautiful area. I've been here a couple times and it's just so beautiful. There's a beaver dam down on the end over here, blocking all this water, and it's just with that cliffs, the mossy cliffs on the other side. Gorgeous. We are fully inside the Boundary Waters canoe area now. We are not, by the way, we're not going down to Lake BWCA. We are going to be continuing straight. But my last trip, if you watched my last video, I took that trail down to Lake BWCA and I camped at Lake BWCA. Gorgeous. I'm going to take a little 5-minute break here and we're going to continue on. Beautiful. Do you guys see that swan out there? Awesome. Swimming out there in the water. Gorgeous.
Are you going to Scarborough Fair? Parsley, sage, rosemary, and thyme. Remember me to one who lives there. He once was a true love of mine.
have reached Disappointment Lake. And there's no disappointment at all. Beautiful. Climbed up on top of this ridge and I get some good views of down below. Came from the very beginning of the lake down there. So we'll be hiking around the top end of the lake down over here. Awesome. I think we got about a mile to go to Ashab Lake. Okay, adventurers, we have reached Ashab Lake campsite. Got the fire grate, the good old U.S. Forest Service fire grate. There's Lake Ashab. Ashub, something, I don't know. And then, not a lot of good places for tents. I can probably find a place for my tent right in here somewhere. But good thing I have a good sleeping pad. Because this ground is terrible. Plenty of places for hammocks. If you got a hammock, come on down. And then there's a steep climb down over there to the water access. Yeah, I think I'm going to go down there and get some water, check it out, and then set up my tent and start cooking some dinner. Here we are down at the water access, down at the shores of Lake Ashab. It's beautiful, so quiet out here. I think there's only one or two other campsites on this lake. So it should be a nice quiet night. Hopefully it'll be clear. It's a new moon. Yesterday was a new moon. So it's going to be nice and dark. Great for some star viewing. And on the way down here, I saw some northern lights. Maybe we'll see some more tonight. That will be amazing. Alright, I've set up my tent. Got it all ready to go. I'm going to make some dinner here. I got some Knorr chicken and broccoli rice. Good stuff. I like this stuff. This particular packet is probably like 2 or 3 years old. And it's been around the country with me on several backpacking trips. And I decided that I'm going to eat this one first before the rice starts busting through the bag. It's that old. So... sun is setting. We're deprived of a sunset because it's kind of hidden behind the hill back there, and I think the Canada forest fire smoke has moved back in because the skies have become all hazy. It was kind of weird. The sun earlier was was a big orange circle in the sky over there, and I took a picture of it and it didn't show up in the picture. Awesome. I think I'm going to head to my tent and do a little reading.